Hello, NetSuite users! Has your NetSuite account become too complicated to manage from memory? Are you concerned that changing one thing might break another? Are you tired of paying a consultant every time you want to change something? Good news! Now you can automatically document and monitor your NetSuite account using Flashlight by Strongpoint. Flashlight automatically documents all your customizations, so you have the information you need at your fingertips. Flashlight also alerts you to potential security or configuration problems. Now you can focus on getting the most from NetSuite while reducing risk and saving your company time and money. Flashlight documentation is automatically generated and easy to use. Just navigate, click, and see all the dependencies. Now you can troubleshoot problems in minutes, not days, and spot potential problems before they start. Best of all, Flashlight operates seamlessly in your NetSuite account, keeping your data safe and secure. So don't waste any more time working in the dark. Seeing is believing. Try our 14-day free trial to see how quickly Flashlight can transform your NetSuite experience.